Hey guys, it's Trevin, head of search and social for Solheim Technologies. Today's video is going to be about how to set up an article inside your WordPress website. So we're going to be jumping into our WordPress dashboard here. I'm on my home page, and by doing that, I'll click on dashboard. So from dashboard, you're going to come down a few and go down to post, and I'll click on all posts. So this is where I posted all my posts in the past, and you could see the title of the post, the owner of it, and then the category, as well as the date published and the SEO details on the very right. So in order to create a new article, I'm going to go ahead and press on add new up here on the top left. So you can either create your article using the Divi Builder or the default editor. We're going to be using the default editor in this example, but let's press on Divi Builder just to see what's in there for you guys. If you are going to create the article using Divi Builder from scratch, this can make the process a little bit longer, but you will have more options to customize the article. In most instances, an article is going to be super simple and mostly filled with words and not much design. So we're going to be using the Divi Builder for this example. Alrighty, so we're back here, and instead of using the Divi Builder, we are going to use the default editor. And so if you don't have an article already made and ready to go, then you could start typing here and create a title like what is disaster recovery. But instead of doing that, I'm going to just paste my own article in there, and you can do this straight from a doc or whatever place you have it at. You just have to copy and paste it in there. So from here, you're definitely going to want to start editing some text, make some text larger, maybe change the color of it. So to do that, you're going to just highlight over the text you want to change, and then some options will pop up here on the right. So you can change the text color by choosing text and then choosing whatever color you want to use. And then let's say you don't like that option and you want to go back or undo. There's this little arrow right here. You could also press Command Z and that'll do the same thing, and that will just go back one step. So you could also change the background color of the text by same option over here, but just press background, and then there you go. So there's a few more options you can do in the default builder. You can choose between edit or select. Edit is going to make it so whatever you press on, there's these options up here. You can change it from a paragraph to a header using this button. You could drag the column wherever you want on the page with this one. You can move it up and down. You could change the alignment of it, bold, italicize, and you can add a link. So those are the few options right here on the top if you're using the edit option. So let's say you want to change the size or the letter spacing. You're always going to go ahead and highlight the text you want to change, and then you're going to go over here to the right, and then you can see the sizing right here, small, medium, and large. We won't be messing with that, but you can press on the top right 3 dots, and this will bring up a few more options that you can do. Appearance, letter spacing, decoration. So decoration, you could go ahead and underline it or strike through. And for appearance, we can change the boldness of the text. So for lettercase, you could make it all caps, you can make it all lowercase, or you could have it be like a title text with that one. And you could also have a drop cap as well. So this can be useful for some articles if you're wanting that type of design. Just go ahead and enable drop cap. Alrighty, so now you're going to want to add a featured image to your article, and this is basically the thumbnail of the article before anyone presses on it. So to add one of these, you're going to go to post over here on the top right, click post, and then scroll down to featured image, and then you could add whatever image you want. You could upload it or have it from your media library. So I'm going to go ahead and add this one. And it won't show it right here, but it will show a preview of what the image is right here on the bottom. And then let's say you're all ready to go and you like how your article is looking. Before you publish, you can go ahead and press preview right here on any type of device, and you could also open it in a new tab. So this will show you a preview of what your article is looking like. And if you like how that looks, then you can go ahead and go back and then press publish. Another thing I want to mention is these are our articles on our article page, And you can see the article I just posted is a little bit more bold than my other article titles. So in order to change this, you're going to go back to your dashboard and then head to posts. And you can see right here, all these titles don't have the strong right here before and after the title. So this is a pretty simple change. Go ahead and press on quick edit and then just get rid of these strong symbols. So once that's gone, scroll down and press update, and that'll make it so all of the titles are the same font and boldness sizes. So those are the pretty simple steps on how to create a article in your WordPress website. The last thing I want to mention is, let's say you copy and paste your article and it's looking like this, and you're wanting it a little bit wider. Go ahead and press on this D, which is the div settings up here. And then I usually have mine set to 1300, and you're just gonna want to drag it until it's looking just about good for you. And then once it is, you can just press the X and it'll save just like that. So if you guys have any questions, go ahead and drop them down in the comments on WordPress, Google Business Profiles, or anything tech, and I would love to answer them down below. If you guys like these type of videos, go ahead and press subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.